welcome to Always Alyssa. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you may already know, I was lucky enough to receive a bunch of pairs of shoes from Vans, which is like so exciting, and I still have a bunch left that I need to finish painting and customizing. But the main reason I wasn't able to for like the past couple months is because in November of 2023 and December and January of 2024, we were gone. So I couldn't work on any art projects, sad enough. But since we're back now, I figured I should probably paint some more of these since I have a bunch left. In today's video, I'm going to be customizing a pair for Chloe. Here's what her shoes look like. I think these ones are going to be super fun to customize and they're super cute. The other day, I was actually painting some rocks and I kind of got an idea of what I'm going to paint on these shoes. I had painted this ice cream cone rock and I thought, you know what? I feel like some kind of ice cream design could be really cute on a shoe. I took a minute to draw this little design on my iPad so I can kind of use it for inspiration as I'm painting. The first step is to mix our colors. In this cup, I have some fabric paint that works on shoes, but also some acrylic paint. I kind of mixed both of them together so I can get the specific color that I want. This color is looking good, so I'm going to go ahead and start on the pink parts. While I'm letting this dry, I'm gonna go ahead and mix the color for the ice cream cone part. It's gonna be kind of like a tannish color. I finished all of the painting and they seriously look so cute. I have to say, I am obsessed. Like, this is just such a cute design. The last step though is to spray these with kind of a glossy finish to protect them a little bit, and then I'll lace these up how they were. I'm gonna let these air dry for 24 hours and then they'll be finished. It's been 24 hours, these have completely finished drying. They're so cute, and now I just have to fix the little Velcro parts. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how cute these turned out. I have to say, these are seriously adorable, and I like them so much, I'm probably gonna make a pair for myself in my own size because these are just absolutely amazing. I really like the idea that I went for, and I'm glad that I put the cute little sprinkles and that I put them on the top too. And of course, I love the waffle cone. I mean, all of it is honestly just so adorable. I have Chloe here and I'm about to show her her shoes. Say hi to everybody. Hi. She's in the middle of eating some fruit snacks. Oh, she's trying to peek at them already. Chloe, I have a surprise for you. Do you want a new pair of shoes? Yeah, here they are. Look at that. What do you think? Oh, do you like them? Oh, I think she wants to try them on. Do you want to try them on? Yeah? Let's try them on. Yeah, they're for you. Oh, she said wow. Do you want to try them on?
No.
No? What? Here, I'll help you try them on. They're really cute, huh? It's ice cream.
Actually.
Yeah.
Actually shoes.
Yeah, ice cream shoes. Oh, now she's ready to try them on. Stand up, how are they? Wow, look at you. Oh, they look so cute. They might be a tad bit big, but that's okay because she can grow into them. Yes, let me see. Can you model your new shoes for me? Do a pose. Ooh, yes, good job. I love it. Ooh, look at that. What a good little model you are. Ooh, look at that. Oh, the next foot. Wow. Oh, so fancy. Look at those Vans, custom painted. Chloe, do you like your new shoes? Do you like them? Yes. I'm going to take that as a yes. Can you do a pose? Oh, she's doing a pose. Oh, let me see your shoes. Put your shoes up. Yay. Can you do another pose? Ready, go. Oh, what was that? You're so silly. What? Hey, why are you falling everywhere? Well, everyone, I think that Chloe absolutely loves her new shoes. Don't you, Chloe? Yeah. Oh. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.